But look at that. That is wild. Mind-blowing. All right, guys, gather around because I'm about to change your life, or at least your pool cleaning routine. How many of you have spent perfectly good Saturday afternoons sweating, grumbling, and wrestling with a pool hose that has a mind of its own? Honestly, in the end, you end up just looking like you're trying to do deep-sea fishing in your backyard. Well, say goodbye to those wrestling matches, because today we're talking about a little piece of tech that's going to make you feel like you've hired a teeny aquatic, the all-new 2025 Pool Blaster CX-300. It is a cordless robotic pool cleaner. Now, I know what you're thinking, another pool cleaner? What makes this one so special? Oh, my friends. Where do I even begin? This isn't just any pool cleaner, it's practically a pool cleaning ninja. First off, it's cordless. That's right, no more tangled messes, no more tripping hazards, just pure, unadulterated freedom for your little robot buddy. It's designed for both smaller in-ground and above-ground pools, so no matter your setup, the CX-300 is going to have your back and your pool floor. But wait, there's more. This bad boy boasts a massive 2.5-hour runtime on a single charge. That's enough time to tackle most pools. And get this, it's got wall climbing capabilities. This robot literally scales the walls, scrubbing away the grime with precision. Plus, with its smart navigation, it won't just wander aimlessly, it'll systematically clean your pool, ensuring that every inch is sparkling. It's rechargeable, lightweight, and basically everything you could want in a robotic pool vacuum. So look, you've been watching it run, you've heard me talk to you about all the features that we know about, but the real question is, what was it actually like to use? Was it easy to use? Did it work? How much goop and dirt did it actually pick up over the time that I was using it? What do you say we go talk to me at the pool, see what my actual real world review was like, and then if you're really curious at the end, I'll do an unboxing old school style so you can see what it came with. All right, I have to say, I have been so impressed with this. I'm gonna tell you the details as I pull it out and we review it. I do wanna tell you that we are obviously inside a cage here in Florida. I'm lucky that way, so we're not gonna find a whole lot of leaves and that kind of debris in here. But we do get sand, bugs, and dog hair in them. So let's see what's inside. All right, I've been using this for about 2 weeks. This is the first time I'm opening it up. I haven't looked at all. Look at all that sand, even without opening it. So I'm gonna tell you why I'm not surprised about this. Oh, that is terrible. Look at the dog hair. Look at this clumps of sand here. This thing has absolutely crushed it. You know what? Let me take you to the side of the house, show you how to clean this, and we'll talk about why this has worked so well. All right, so let me tell you about my experience with this. This has been so impressive to me because this is kind of on the lower price range for something that's full featured, that scrubs the walls, scrubs the floors, does the whole pool, the whole thing. Normally those models are very expensive, so I wasn't exactly expecting a ton of this. I could see it. It clearly sensed itself going backwards, kicked the motor into high gear, like glued itself to the wall, went up the wall, scrubbed the edges, scrubbed the water line like mad. It did an amazing, it's one of the few bots, and it would go up on the seated area of the pool and be like, scrubbing away. I was so impressed with that. So I am not at all surprised to find this ridiculous amount of dirt in this thing. I mean, this is so mind-blowing. I've only run this like 3 times is a lot in a week, but look at that. That is wild. Look at this dog hair. After you've had a successful week of running it, here's what you're gonna do. You take your hose, or what you don't wanna do is go like this and blast the debris further into the screens. What you wanna do is like from here, blast it out in the direction it went in, right? We're cleaning it out of the screens, not jamming it further. Now all that crap's gone, ready to start again. And I always personally like to clear this out, the whole thing. So I just give it a quick rinse, charge it up, and we're ready to go again. This thing has exceeded on every level. The charging worked well, the run times, the whole thing worked really well. If you want a really great priced bot that kind of does it all, you cannot possibly go wrong with it. There's a link here or down in the description. Either one, they don't cost you anything extra to use those, except it helps us out a little bit. So I'm gonna say thank you. While we're doing thumbs up, I hope I've added value to your life. Please give this video a thumbs up. Makes a big difference in terms of the algorithm. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting stuff like this. And if you have any thoughts on this, let us know. Put them in the comments. Do you have a question about this particular bot? Do you have other ones? Did you maybe have a different experience? Put it in there. Let's have a conversation. So I just wanted to show you what comes in the package so you know. It comes with obviously the Pool Blaster CX-300. Filters already installed in it. There's nothing that you need to add onto the bottom. It is really ready to go. All you need to do is charge it up. Here's the charger right here. Comes with a rescue hook so you can take it out at the end of the day. Instructions and some, I still haven't figured out what these are. I guess when I read the instructions, I'll know what it is. Looks like a bumper of some sort. But in any case, you've watched the video. You're obviously here to see what the packaging comes with. This is it. Very simple, very straightforward. I hope this has all been helpful. See you in the next video.